Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In this video we will be exploring Tkinter canvas. So what are canvas? During coding we might require to draw various shapes to show the textual data in forms of graphs. So for that canvas method is created by Tkinter developers, using which we can simply show the output in terms of figures, shapes or various formats. In fact, we can use this shape to create various emojis or animals, house. So this was a basic introduction about Tkinter canvas. Now let's explore about this canvas in depth. For that, let's move to our destination folder. So this is our destination folder, as you can see. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. As you can see, the VS Code is open in the folder. Now let's open the file. So this is the file, and today's day 27 and the title is canvas. And this is the importing of Tkinter package, which is same, creating Tkinter window, adding Tkinter title. And this time I have not added width and height to this Tkinter window to show you the output more clearly. After that, creating a canvas. So basically canvas is used to draw shapes on Tkinter window, that I have told already during the introduction. After that, creation of canvas is very simple. You just have to write tk.canvas. Remember the C must be capital, and passing the window of Tkinter. After that, width and height. So I have set the width and height here. After that, I have used canvas.path function so that the canvas will be get displayed on the Tkinter window. After that, you can draw various shapes. So first is create line, create rectangle. Also you can create other shapes such as triangle, circle according to your choice. So this is the first 2 points are of xy, which is for x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So the line will be from starting point to the ending point of the canvas window, and fill blue, which means the color of that line must be blue. After that, create rectangle. So create rectangle is simply the starting coordinates and the width and height. So the starting coordinates is 50-50, and from that the width will be 150 and height will be 150. So this will simply create a rectangle or square, as you can see, because the dimensions are given similar to square. And this is the windows.mainLoop function that I have already explained in previous videos. So let's run the program to check the output. So this is a simple output of 200 by 200 Tkinter window. So this is a line and this is a rectangle. Actually it's a square due to its dimension size. I can simply change it. So let's change it to, let's say, 16. Let's see what happens. So let's first close this original window, and as you can see, this is the size. So from 50 to 60 and from 50 to 150. So this is how the dimensions have changed. You can make this dimension according to your wish, but I want to give this code to you and I don't want any unusual thing to be sent. For that, I am simply pressing Ctrl Z to keep the code as it was before. So let's run the program to check the final output. So this is the final output of today's video given by this code. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, do not forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries while creating Tkinter canvas or have any doubt related to Tkinter or anything related to this playlist, you can simply message me on Instagram or comment section below. Also, this is just an introduction to Tkinter canvas. You can go through canvas documentation of Tkinter in depth to explore a lot of methods and features available in canvas. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.